So what is up, YouTube? Solojay back with another video, and today, as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, today I do got some photographers. Now look, y'all always see me drop, I'm always giving out graphic designer brands, I'm always giving out streetwear brands that y'all can go ahead and shop with, but I'm gonna switch it up a little bit today. So today I'm gonna be giving y'all some photographers. So I got 8 photographers. I've been doing my research with these different photographers. There's also a secret one in there as well too. So for anybody that got graduation, anybody that want to do birthday pictures, anybody that want to do photo shots just in general, take flicks, anything, these are the photographers that y'all can go ahead and reach out to. So without further ado, if y'all are new, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep this journey going. We still on the way grinding and whatnot. Give me the 10K subscribers on Instagram. And yeah, let's go ahead. I said 10K subscribers on Instagram. Shit, give me the 10K too, but give me the 10K on subscribers on YouTube so I can keep on dropping these videos and keep on getting y'all this content put on this YouTube platform. Because yeah, let's do it. So yeah, follow me right here. I'm Solojay. Should pop up on the screen. I'm gonna go ahead and start the screen recording, and let's go ahead and hop straight into photographers. Let's do it. So boom, as y'all can see, this is the photographers right here. So as y'all see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So boom, I'm gonna go ahead and start from the top, and we're gonna work our way down to the last photo. Let's do it. So boom, as y'all can see, solo photography. As y'all can see, this is my personal page. This is just something I did as well because I was also in college doing with the track team and whatnot. So boom, this is basically what I did. As y'all can see, clicking on the page, 20 followers right now. You know, continue to keep on grinding and whatnot. And yeah, this is just basically my work and whatnot. I put my own personal presets and stuff on there. So yeah, these are basically how I edit my pictures and whatnot. I still got a lot more to come as far as inquiries and everything else like that. So that's basically solo photography. And you're about to go ahead and hop straight into the next one. Next, we got Scoop Visuals. As y'all can see, he did something with Yak as well. So he's currently located down in Broward. So y'all can make sure, well, he's located in Florida. And if anything, y'all want to go reach out to him and just go, if y'all in Texas and want to go reach out to him so that he can get y'all pictures that way, y'all can. But yeah, though, he got all different type of stuff as you can see. So everybody in here, like, it's a whole lot of stuff. They did that at FAU too. So this was Kodak Black. They did that in Palm Beach, as y'all can see as well. So we're gonna go ahead and click on the page. Dang, we're gonna go ahead and click on the page. Almost at 900 followers on Instagram and whatnot. And yeah, as y'all can see, the work speaks for itself, man. He got everything on here, everything. So y'all make sure y'all go tap in with bro. His scoop.visuals on Instagram. Go tap in. If any inquiries y'all got, go subscribe. DM for promo if y'all got promo and y'all want to do anything else as far as that. He got promo. He got all that different type of stuff. Scoop.visuals. Yeah, it basically, you know what I'm saying, everything is ready. He got drone and stuff like that. So hey, everything is a film house production with him. Better go ahead and hop straight into the next photographer. Next photographer, as y'all can see, just like how I talked about graduation and everything like that when it comes to that, this is jigs.pics. So as y'all can see, she did like a little mini photo shoot with red burgundy background. And then yeah, she got different photos. She got all different type of sets, especially with the college that she is attending to as well. So clicking on the page, he's almost at 10K on Instagram as well too. So as y'all can see, the work does speak for itself as well. The red background been going crazy recently. I've been seeing a lot of it lately. So it's hard. And yeah, it's a whole lot of different stuff that he got added. And as far as the pics, like, I'm not gonna care, this is the hardest pic. This is what I really seen. Like, this is what I seen. I was like, yeah, this 5 for sure. Like, yeah, this is for sure 5. But all this is like the different type of stuff that he has to offer. But yeah, this is all the stuff he basically has to offer and whatnot. So that's basically that. This is jigs.pics. Like I did say before, y'all can make sure y'all go ahead and follow him as well. It's an ATL female photographer. So she is 20. It's Jordan Simmons, aka Jig, capturing something simple and turning it into something beautiful. You can't book through the DM, so I'm pretty sure you got to click the link tree and go get the booking through there. And then yeah, I see it, as y'all can see, it's at the top. So y'all can basically book through there and whatnot. So that's jigs.pics. I make sure I go follow her on Instagram. And yeah, she's a photographer. Everything looks to coming out well. She got her decision day and everything like that. So that's basically her her packaging and everything like that. So yeah, that's basically what she has to offer. So y'all make sure y'all go cop with Jigs. Go get y'all photo stop and everything photography done with her as well. So let's go ahead and hop straight to the next photographer. Next photographer, we do got Groovy Pads. As y'all can see, clicking, well, just going through here right quick. It gives a little vintage because of the background with the beetle in the background and everything else like that. With the beetle in the background, so it gives a little bit more of a vintage look. So clicking on the page, almost at 4K on the ground. As y'all can see, I can go ahead and book through here as well. Schedule a booking through the website and whatnot. As y'all can see too, y'all just gotta visit the website, click the studio you wish to book, and it's just the time of the day, and that's all you gotta do. That's all you have to do. So y'all can contact them and everything like that. The website is in their link in the bio. 6 Groovy Pads. LA and NoHo. So y'all make sure y'all go ahead and reach out to them if y'all are located, especially if it's your local area. And yeah, everything is hard. Y'all can see the work always gonna speak for itself when it comes to photography, man. You can't go wrong. But yeah, they got everything. I don't know who. Is this a rapper? I don't know. But yeah, it doesn't matter who it is, bro. It's photography, so it's gonna look well. It'll look, and they even got the NBA pulling up with groovy pads. Like, that's hard. Like, you can't go wrong either. So magazines, all these, everything speaks for itself. Yeah, this is hard. I mess with it. Y'all make sure y'all go reach out to groovy pads. Go book with them and see where they located and everything like that, especially if you're in if you're in local areas and whatnot. So that's groovy pads. Y'all make sure to go follow them on Instagram. They got 3,600 on the ground. Follow me right here at imsolojay as well, and let's go ahead and hop straight into the next photographer. All right, so boom, next photographer, we do got Bash Benzo. So as y'all can see, this was located in Atlanta, Georgia. This is hard. I messed with this for sure. This was for a clothing brand. I'm pretty sure this chart right here and whatnot. But yeah, this was hard. I like this little photo shoot they got going to showcase the little red and the blue hoodies. We're gonna go ahead and click on. So as y'all can see, Benzo is located in ATL in Miami. So for y'all that are in Miami, this is the perfect person for y'all. So yeah, for the people that is located in Miami and in Atlanta as well too, y'all make sure I go reach out to Benzo. They got almost at 25K on the ground. Y'all go ahead and book for whatnot. They got all these pieces like blue background, any type of background. I mess with these so far. They got Bunny on here, Nikki on here as well. Like, there's a whole lot of different people that y'all should know. But that's not even the point. The point is that look at everything that he has to show. Like, all of these pictures are hard. All these pictures are hard. And keep it on scrolling. That's from the jump. Look, from the jump. 5 stuff only. So yeah, this is Bash Benzo. Y'all make sure to go reach out to him as well. Go book with him. The link is down in the description as well. So go click on that website, go book, go get y'all inquiries and everything else like that with y'all pricing and packaging. And yeah, that's basically that. Like I just said before, this is Bash Benzo. So y'all make sure you go cop for him as well. I don't know why I got a brand in here, but for anybody that wants shorts, just because I'm gonna just show y'all this as well. They got cross jorts on here. Y'all know it is summertime and whatnot, so clicking on this brand, they do got 45K on the ground. This is U Hood brand, as y'all can see, or Youth Hood, as y'all can see right here. But I should say, but these is hard. I mess with these right here. These look like Marnie Burger Stars. That's real hard. I mess with that. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all go cop, but this is not really a clothing brand video. This is for the photography. This is for photographers and whatnot. So I just want to give off these. The site is closed, so y'all can get early access with SMS. Go tap in with them. Use Hood next thing. And another brand. I don't know why I got 2. I checked it already. They only got 2 brands in here, so I'm guessing it was just 6 photographers, not 8. But yeah, Divine and Plague hoodies. This is the Illest Club. Almost at 20K on the ground, so y'all make sure y'all go cop now. There's no cure can heal us, and the site is officially live, so y'all make sure y'all go ahead and shop now as well. But like I did say before, this is not clothing brand video, so I'm about to go ahead and hop straight into the next photographer. Let's do it. And last but not least, between Benzo and this photographer right here, they are currently the best photographers out of this whole entire list that I don't gave out. So we got Who Flicked Them too. As y'all can see, let me take a whole look at the catalog that he got right here. Like, these whole pictures right here, especially with the red background, go hard. So click on his page. He only got 2,600 on the ground. 2,600 on the ground. Look how well his art coming out for the stuff that he's getting booked for. So he does his stuff with athletes. He does stuff with celebrities and whatnot, influencers, writers, artists, anything you can name. He got it. Just book with him. So yeah, I wanted to also show y'all this too. So if the budget fits, he can be in your state. Meaning this is global. Like, this is 50 states. We got 50 states in the United States. So y'all make sure y'all go cop with him. And if the budget fits, bro, he'll just pull up on you and y'all get the work done. So yeah, he got everything. Like, everything is hard too. I'm not gonna cap. A lot of stuff is hard. Y'all can see his work speaks for himself. Like I do say, for all the photographers, work speaks for themselves. But for the stuff that he does with different versatility with everybody else, as far as like, you know, rappers, clothing brand influencers, you know, athletes and everything else like that, it's for sure hard. So that's why I respect it for sure. So like I did say before, this is Who Flicked Him. He got 2,600 on the gram. He's a Texas photographer, and just like I said before with the versatility, he has that also well in his bio. So y'all make sure with Who Flicked Him, y'all make sure y'all go ahead down, since he is a Texas photographer, like I did say just before. He has a website down in his bio, so y'all make sure y'all go click that as well. Get in tapped into him with him. Check out his inquiries and what he has to offer as far as packaging as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. As y'all can see, Christian Rock, DDG, the stuff with DDG as well. And this one is just hard. It's probably the hardest one. I mess with it. Creativity is everything when it comes to photography, so that's what stands out the most. That is basically the end of the video. If y'all enjoyed this video, y'all make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. It is Solojay. Have a good day. Like all the videos, watch all the videos, even the old videos. I even do it sometimes to go back and just look at the old rec room videos that I made with trolling everybody. But yeah, y'all make sure I go cop with everybody. Go cop with the clothing brands I gave. Go tap in tune with the photographers that I gave as well too. So go like the video, subscribe. It is Solojay. Have a good day. Watch all the ads before I beat your ad. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.